So I chopped up onion, mushroom, and I've got my wok going on an electric stove with coconut oil. I've also got Lea and Perrins going on in here with salt, a little bit of sea salt, chicken, mushrooms, onions, to let everything glaze over. I turn the heat down. I'm going to step away for a second and add some garlic and our final. I've got the garlic press working. I'm going to put another clove in there. I'm going to do 3. And just like, one-handed. Here we go. So I have my base ready with, spices, basil, all that kind of stuff, and I've got all these shrimp scampi and linguine. I'm going to pour that in. And we go down for the meltdown and the final. Basically, just turn the heat back up because this is frozen and it's going to melt pretty quickly, but we need to go fast. And there we go. I mean, I haven't used it. I'm definitely first seasoning this wok that I bought like last year. Got the handles on it. These are good for baking and stuff like that. They'll take high heat, and it's a large block, basically. So there's a few more things I want to add, and that's it. So at the end, I want to add some of these farm eggs, like 2 of them, like maybe the green one and this one. They're already colored because of the farm, and then these fresh onions, just so we get some crunchiness. Okay, I'm going to add 2 eggs. I'm going to try to do like 2 by 1, but these shells are really hard, and I don't want to get any shell fragments in there. There's one. And here's the other one. I've got a green one. No fragments. Very cool. That just gets mixed in, and we're good. Alright, happy Easter, everybody. Be safe out there. Enjoy. Later.